of Siddharth Madhav sir. It is a flow of presentation, introduction, problem statements, objectives, method architecture, advantages and disadvantages, application and outputs, conclusion and references, programming language, MySQL database for backend storage, CLI for user and admin interaction. In main program, it has three choices: admin, user, and exit. In admin panel, we have table management system. These are the advantages. First, easy order management. The staff of the cafe can easily manage the customer order. Advantage आहे की ते इथे फुलफिल होतं की आपला जो डेटा आहे तो ॲटोमॅटिकली याच्यामध्ये सेव्ह होऊन जाईल. देन थर्ड वन इज द tables. There are two attributes. When we run successfully this code, the why I am using pie chart, because the pie chart is the very clearly when we book first time. जेव्हा मी फर्स्ट टाइम टेबल बुक करते तर मला रजिस्टर पण करावं लागेल आणि लॉग इन पण करावं लागेल. बट वेन आय गो